Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan na talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung Tinsin Times ng France. Mayroong taon na 1995. Page 11 na tayo guys, continue tayo sa ating history dahil nasimulan na natin ito guys, kaya tapusin natin ang kanyang history dahil napakaganda na malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng France. The Louis the 16th from 1785, the rise and the value of gold, the onset of the Industrial Revolution in Great Britain and elsewhere, as well as King Louis the 16th reign led to the rise in the gold-silver ratio to 15.5, resulting in reduction in the gold content of the 24 livre. Louis d'Or from the 1/30th to 1/32nd of the mark 11 to 22 fine, while the silver standard remaining unchanged. Assay of the period indicate that the coins contained approximately 1.5% less bullion than the officially specified. The 1795 swapping of livres to France at the rate of 1.0125 livres is equal to 1 francs suggests the 6 livres eco contain 26.67 grams fine silver, while the reduction or the reduced 24 livre Louis contained 6.88 grams fine gold. So parang mayroon itong gold yata composition guys kasi tingnan mo yung kulay ay napakaganda naman talaga. Ito yung Tinsin Times na new generation nila guys. Mayroong taon na 1995. The livre turnoise was swapped in 1795 for the French France or France Germinal worth of 4.5 grams silver or 9 and 31 or 31 grams is equivalent to 0.2903 grams of gold. Ratio to 15.5 at the rate of 1 francs is equivalent to 1 and 1/88 livres or 1 livre is equivalent to 3 dinars.